need to begin. Why the government take so much billions of taxpayers' money to implement body cameras and police officers so we can see that the police are doing what they are supposed to do, what they are trained to do under the law. We are not
against it. Thank you, because thank you. Because I write something about because me I say no. The explanation to me for the police them to take on a camera from my house and then come in and have a kind of eliminate the vigilance between me and them for them 60 minutes when the match reach to come in and but also the police supposed to can show footage of whatever duty carry out from film camera.
No, they don't want that. The union doesn't want that. The union leak out, the National Ministry of National Security said that the cameras them is not good and them now work. They don't want that. So the human rights them need to help stand up and fight for the people and say, look, they need to wear body cameras.
If my police and another one house, and the person have camera outside, then I may see the camera. I use my common sense and say, then if this man inside is a man with a firearm, illegal firearm, and then me I go make him can look on him monitor and see me I do what I do so he can know which side me I come. So me I go, me dismantle the camera for him can see what the scene. But at the same time, our police not supposed to against wearing a body camera for sure whatever happen when me go out and carry out my duty. See? Exactly. Me not supposed to make it a secret.
Exactly.
So these are questions we need to answer.
Remember that interject. You hear about the ribbies shooting up in a ribbies restaurant? Listen to this. Well, a man got to work. A chef got to work, right? He went to work. He have a fallout with him boss. Him boss fired, and the man in rebel say need to get receiving money. The boss then call him offside guard bodyguard, which was the police officer. Instead of him go out there and deal with the matter and let the security guard more intervene, him go there drag the man down the step. The man a tussle, him shoot the man in his head like 3 to 4 times. No. You know, hear nothing come out, until investigation and them catch a camera footage. Them care the man got through him down a public say him name John Doe. And when the footage come out and certain things come out, them charge the police because they couldn't go around it. So Ribbies supposed to hold accountable because they tried to cover it up. That's somebody's family. That's a child's father. You left your work. And just like many times, people are driving go about them business and some of them, not all officers, some of them face the police. Stop you, disrespectful. And because you talk for your right, they want to lock you up, they want to pull you out of your car, and they want to violate your rights. Because they are allowed to get away with so much foolishness. Until when the government start to pay over millions to the victim them, then a lot of these things will stop. But the government use the police force as a weapon, use them as them gunner to come and gun them.
That's what the police force was established for in the 17th century when it was established, to protect the state, not to protect the people. You can research that and you will find out. The police force was established to protect the state, not to protect the people. Anyway.
But you can say the bad man them have family, brother and sister. The police are human too, You know, so them drag on for the police them too.
If all police in England were doing the same thing, if police were doing all these things in England,
I make nobody
not here a rebel.
My lord, hold on. Let
us
not convolute the conversation. There is a standard procedure of operation for the police. And within that perimeter of the law, the police should act within that. Just like how A judge is guided by the Constitution. A lawyer is guided by the Constitution. The police has a duty.
Not paying a euro.
No, it's not about playing hero, you know. It's about signing up for a job and carrying out the task, the job that you sign up for. There's a standard procedure of operation. Whenever police have to come and tell lie about what happened, it's because they did something that is wrong. And a lot of us, I'm trying to downplay this because we don't know how they against the crime monster, against people paying people to kill other people, kill innocent people, all right? So you have one man that pays a man to go and carry out a crime. Then that man is a prominent member of society who everybody knows. And now, the work wasn't carried out clean, and it's going to lead back to him. It's going to have a domino effect come back to him. This man in high place can just, the man that carried out the work, you know, the killer, the 87, his name is calling, you know, but he's not the mastermind behind it. So you know what the police does? When you don't accept accountability from police, they get paid to come and kill that man. And that they come and they kill that man. And the investigation stopped there because the man who they caught, they cut him off so it don't have a domino effect to come back to them. So you are citizens who are prepared to accept police to just tell you that this is what happened and just accept it as gospel. You are in a very sad place. Very, very bad place. You are not seeing the dark silhouette of this. Police need to operate at the standard procedure of operation under the law. Under the law.
You're right, boss. Listen, you have, let me give you, may I say one thing, I'm done. You have one named Millanine, what them call Millanine, right? He beat a charge in Grand Spain, couple murder charge in beat because of who the big senior shoot them. And him shoot a guy in the back. Well, I know, shoot a guy in the back of a Jeep. Him beat that case. Him run we go abroad. You know them hold him pan abroad, pan camera. That same police I go in a man place and murder, execute a man.
Exactly. So you see, murder.
That same police officer.
It doesn't matter if it is a police or a illegal.
Exactly.
Murder is murder. And
murder.
we need to stop let the government take us for fool, letting us think that murder is going away because the US and Canada issue travel advisory and Jamaica say their citizens are not safe here. So they are in a desperate position where the police high command, I suspect, allegedly give the information for police to go here and do hitman work, 87 work. One
blame the police. Blame the police.
Miss Bev.
Not blame the criminal.
No, let me tell you something.
Miss Bev. Vigilante killing Miss Bev.
Miss Bev, let me tell you something. As the virgin said, sometimes you have to pay attention to details that we bring. All right. Yesterday, this present government used the JCF in Jamaica. Me personally think they're wrong. But as you know, say everybody have their own opinions. Me personally think they're wrong because the way they use the JCF, all right, in a past government, in a past grants, you also have different set of squad in Jamaica where deal with different set of cases. Like you have traffic cop, you have crime cop, you have different police to deal with like horse breaking and things like that. Every police now with a red team coming in a blue suit, they operate as just police. If you notice, when you drive on the road, and if you no, on my phone there, but me I ignore the call. When you drive on the road, and if you
ignore it and attack, you have to mute it.
yes, sorry. If you come up to a traffic, sorry about that, Mr. Zane. If you come up to a traffic stop, you will see like all 6 or 7 police with long M16 and stop your car just to check if you pay. Those things that drive fear in the people in the country. Because right now, me can't tell you, say, maybe I know me alone, enough time I see police, and me afraid more than because me not really run a gunman. But me see police now, because me feel like I want to set a gunman, me see. And me think it wrong. Me personally think it wrong. You know, supposed to feel
and you have to choose the word where you said to them. Because them have to you know, see pan.
You get stopped by police all the time.
Well, I know pan TikTok. Police and the man and a tell man say me shoot them in the head.
But what if then
why police start to look for people and tell them point blanket pan the camera say, boy, me bust a shot in your head. What kind of police force you have? You tell me.
Look here, Milo, are you, Cecil? Are you talking a while ago?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, may I tell you something? You realize that the people them out there, them heartless. Enough of the criminal them out there, them heartless. You have people, let me tell you something. The police them have to protect themselves. Me not take up the police. And me not, but me attack the truth when me think.
Nobody said that. Nobody said that.
Listen to what they are saying.
A constitutional right to protect themselves in whatever way they carry out their duty.
If a police
you cannot be doing vigilante killing. You cannot just eliminate people. There's a law. There's a constitutional right.
What me I try to say, when me I say, if a police they pan a spot check. Them always have them weapon anyway. What them are gonna do? Do spot check with everybody assigned to a gun. All right. A police do a spot check, you know, and then stop you. Hello, miss. You make your wind up, you know. And me I go. Hello, miss. Could you wind up your glasses? Your glass. The back window them winding down. And we comply. Can I have you? I am. Some of them say I am Sergeant whatever them name. And I am doing spot check today. Can I have your legs? Can I have your documents or whatever? Fair enough. Even we have one and two. One where maybe I work with him. We are having gun for him, because that's how they show off. But it don't mean say them are gonna shoot you. And then we are looking at your car because them are look physical. They can't draw down upon a bad man, you know. And the bad man decides that they not take a check and fire upon them, you know. So they have them gun. So you can't afraid so long as they not point it by yourself.
No,
so
but they can't
criticize. And everything you can find the police they have the police them are human beings.
We are all on different topics because what you're saying now, you're telling the police is well trained and know how to do their work, you know. Don't think the police don't know how to do their work, you know. The police, and nobody's saying the police shouldn't have gun. Nobody's not saying the police.
When I say them have a gun and something, but
no, that is not what we are complaining about.
And then when you say Andrew said to have him in a group, well, he might try to see.
I am going to say this again.
And he may go about it wrong because he try to cut down the crime, then get the special squad them we have to do them work.
So why it wasn't done
then
before?
The people that some of them never ask questions.
Let me ask you a question. No. You are just listening what you hear in the media. Listen to this. I want you to listen to me because I am not trying to be biased, you know. Trust me. I am just showing you what is taking place because you only hear what they teach you through the media and government control media. It's only social media they cannot control because this is the revolution. They cannot control this. Everyone in media is paid for, bought and paid for by the government or the opposition. The opposition have to use alternative media. The government get the media. It is a compulsory. So you have to understand how they communicate. You have to understand these things. They have PR. They have people who are specifically, strategically placed to do that. So you are just listening what's coming out of the news. But listen what I am telling you. I want you to use your brain now. A man in his house, there's a killing take place in the community. Gunman and a fool. Most of the time it's not gunman they catch. They catch innocent people. Gunman fled the scene. They have their source. But the same people will use them, give them gun, give them shot, to give them lawyer, get them out of trouble. Those same people tip them off when police is coming to make the raid and they already migrate. So listen, you might be someone who associate with them. Because you grew up in the same community, You see them maybe because out of fear, you don't want them to know that you're not with them, so they don't trust you and you become victimized. So those are social issues that affect in every community. And I live there, so I know. So listen, do you listen to this news? 2 killing, gangsters kill. There's 2 killings from gangsters in the community, and everyone knows that the police will make a raid, because once the police gonna make a raid, the tip-off don't drop in the community already, and they know. This man now, I won't call any name, this man in his house with his woman, house well burglar bar, well grill, and when they look outside, they see a barrage of police. His girlfriend asked the police, where is your permit? The police said, before the police could answer, our boyfriend said, open the grill because we don't have anything for them. They opened the grill, and as the police come into the house, he said to the boyfriend, where is your room? And he pointed, show him where is the room. And as they walked towards the room, the police, the baby mother was coming, and the police push her down with her phone and push him into the room and say, hey boy, what you do back gun for me? And we heard the explosion. And before you know it, them kill him. So you know, as someone who is, am I so naive to believe that man had a gun in his house?
The man can't have it.
Okay. Well, once you say that to me,
he can't have it.
You're a wicked man.
We don't know. We only assume.
You're wicked man.
You might think
wicked.
have it. Maybe.
Hold on.
You don't know what the police do. The police are intelligent. The thing police are just gas man the yard so. And I must hear.
I want to fear those steps. I want to fear those steps.
Hold on.
1 second, let me close my point.
Yes,
What is intelligence? What you
fear those steps?
What you said, Donna? What you said? What?
You say you want to
man tweet your doorstep.
You will
like me now. Me go to a traffic stop. Policeman stop me. The policeman stink of weed. Stop me. And right half a tree for coming on from Cargill. The man say park the bike for and come off. Don't move to back, hold on for them gun for a traffic stop. Come for a traffic stop. Give me papers them. The man look on papers. This no good. Taxi service can't say this can't ride the bike. Who me unlock up. And motor traffic people at them for move bike. Mr. Officer said don't move on bike. And the man stink of weed, my friend. Okay, the traffic stop stink of weed. For interact with the people them. And the man back him gun pump for a traffic stop. Say me shoot me. I'm not move. I say my papers them not right. When I start getting ignorant from them, so many people are attack. You say tax officer rubbish.
Exactly.
But thing go through and stop you and bring them to them for go on when me go. It can't work, friend. It can't work. All the whole of what them do to people on the road. You are woman. When them stop you, them deal with different for them deal with man on the road.
You know why I stop talking?
No people don't respect the law. No 5 people don't respect the law. Because no people when they do a police.
Because you are woman, you not get into organization when man get out the road.
Police
first start arguing with the police and sometimes soft word.
You're not defending.
All we deal with them good, them deal with them rough. And all of them silly now.
You're not defending the law, you are defending the police.
You have no policeman stop me now. And deal with my good.
I defend the police. When me I defend the police for?
Mom, when last you come to Jamaica, Mom, you are in England. Darling, you are in England. When last you come to Jamaica and walk on this road, Mums?
Hello.
No, I am asking you a question.
When you answer that
question, give me the chance to answer now.
England, left England and come at Jamaica.
Let me answer my.
All right, go ahead.
I'm questioning the defender of the police. You are not defending the law.
I defend them because they ticket me now.
You're supposed to get tickets.
But look here now. Listen to what me I say. Me go to Jamaica very regular. Me go to Jamaica more than. Me go to Jamaica. And I tell you say, some of the people them, sometimes me not say the police then sometimes not overdo things and show off and go on some way, you know. But me I tell you say, some of the time I took all the people them talk to the police. The police then do about work. But then
people talk to police in England, but
you
respect police in England.
Video and see police going at the and try to investigate case and we watch it on YouTube. Listen, man, we go on YouTube and watch videos, yeah, and we see people, police going at here and I try to and the whole citizen turn on and some draw the man foot, some kick the police, some do this, some do that. And nobody never write in a garage. Okay, the man bad. The people them say it was a good man. So you can't tell me no bias.
Miss Ben, me can't answer 2 questions.
The police them do their work sometimes and then go after intelligence. Most police they now going on my ear so go dig up an house and then no hear something. And something in here.
Miss Ben, me can't answer 2 questions.
No, give me a talk, but not talk hold on.
Hold on the virgin. Miss Ben, these tickets you say you get, where you get them in the country where you live now in Jamaica?
Down in Jamaica.
No. All right. The next question is when you
me not style because they could have tell me say because I just 2 days run out, they could have say my girl if something run out, you know, so I mean I check set run out so quick, you know, because I mean get checked before and they did okay. You know, see
all right.
So you have to get a ticket.
Well, I know. I just like 2 days and could have say, you know, say run out, one go start it out. So police can't talk to people. So then if I did fit them vehicle, I fit the brain, not that I let them too.
All right, the other question, Miss Ben.
I break the law, and I break the law.
Miss Ben, the other question.
And look,
All right.
never look.
That the question was to ask the ticket. The other question, you know what you think, say, I fear when the police are driving at these people and lack of trust. Well, you the Milo. Don't you feel that the fear and the lack of trust with the police and driving at the people when they go into the community to arrest somebody, the people they really don't want to carry them out of the community because they know say that person now going to face no form of justice and just analyze that somebody going to get. Don't you feel that that's why they demonstrate?
Some of the time it happen like that.
But it's not supposed to happen, no. We're supposed to trust the police.
But you still have to look for it, say. If a police come in our ear for your man, no care how bad the man is in the ear and I go and garrison, they must say he's a good man. They not saying bad, or this or that. They not talk. They must go defend him.
Everybody have good in them. Everybody have one level of good in them.
No, me not go say no. That's why when me say, everybody good, because God make everybody good. But when me ask you, sometimes a person that when them come out as somebody where they have a lot of charge for them looking for them want that person for a long time for crime. Some people don't know people. Some people see people and don't know them. You will see a man in your area living in your area.
Miss Beth, all criminal have a right. All criminal. This is the law of the land, and I didn't write it. It is the British people who write it. Every criminal, everyone. Every criminal. Miss Beth. You have man go into a church in America and analyze hundreds of people and they still put handcuffs on him and carry him to jail. Why is it Jamaican police take up in them one hand? Look on Chucky Brown. Let me give you a good one. Chucky Brown was so out of control. He went into a hospital and finished kill a man. And when them find him spent shell, him turn around to cooperate with Indicom. And him tell them, say, it's not only him alone did they on the killing squad. So what them do, them throw him underneath the bus and left him with the 50 years. Chucky Brown was out of control.
Miss Beth, I say something to you. See, you see most of these dance where you see the government are going now, and maybe they more searching on themselves, but a fact, see? Because they say they have intelligence to find people. most of these done, when you see the police, when you see the government are send grown, the police them to grown, and they must say, it's either they meet the court or they meet the maker. Even though some more meet the maker. You know what I mean? What are they?
And I deported the man that talk about the deported.
No. He said that but they done them in Jamaica first. So you know what Mr. Dev? You see them carrying me.
They deported me here, but
you see them carrying these dons and these bad man, then no say them all talk things with them can't afford for them to talk. That's why they get rid of them. Take my word for it.
Where them with the African?
Sir.
Because
you're right, Brethren.
You're right. For the politician them too.
Understand the streets.
You're right. You don't know that. You're right.
They work too, so they know they don't care them in. Them all the bargain and feed them more hard. That's why they get rid of
Hey, there's a guy where them killed the other day from Spanish Town. Where me know him. Him was nobody. Him don't even have a degree. And him rise to the top tier. You really think, say, if him never have political connection, him couldn't have reached there, so. And when him start talk, and when him start lick out then certain things, them so, you get big enough now. And when them do, flag him ass and send him home.
My friend,
top guy the other day.
A political price for moving dance. Peter Phillips, he paid a political price for moving dance. That's how Jamaicans feel. Because there's a level of hypocrisy.
Somebody background noisy.
There's a level of hypocrisy. These politicians, they are the one who build the dance. The dance are under their directive. They tell them what to do, who to move, and then they send the police to do the cleanup work. And Miss Bev is here defending the police. And
I defend the police, I'm glad to talk the truth. Look here now. Look here now, easy done. Me not defend the police now. But some of the video them when I YouTube me I talk about when I watch.
No, maybe
right?
that
Me I talk to you so say that. Don't do that. Me not defend the police. Me I talk say police are human.
It's the reason why I come to that conclusion. Because we were making a very legitimate point, and your rebuttal was your line of argument. Because we know that they are not 100% of anything. We know that the police make mistakes, so we are not really beating them for the mistake. But however, when
the problem comes, they have Indicom to carry them up.
Don't tell me about Indicom. We don't want to hear about Indicom.
Then Indicom, they have to protect the people.
We don't want to hear about
Indicom. Think of the police alone.
Listen to what I am saying. You people think Indicom don't have any powers. Indicom, when the police come and
spot. So why people go there and make reports?
Listen to what I am saying, man. When Indicom comes, even the police, the security minister say, Indicom get like 60% of they need to complete an investigation. That means 40% still missing, and that means they cannot complete no investigation. I want you to listen what I'm saying. They are using English language and playing on your ignorance. Because if they only get 60% of what is needed to complete the investigation, then they won't have a case. Because they are only going to go with what the police tell them, and then what citizens might tell them. And then it will be your word against my word. You remember the
Indicom to look into the case and assess.
Indicom will, but how far will the investigation go? How far? If they don't have 100% of evidence, if they don't have 100% of what they need to complete an investigation, then how far will 60% go? Reason with me. So what I am telling you is these are government agencies and they are there to protect us. But at the same time, these people undermine them. Because when Indicom come, Indicom are going to take the police report, what the police report, if there's anyone willing to be witness.
It's Bev.
So
the Indicom carry out their own investigation.
I know.
Indicom are independent people, you know.
Exactly. In the comments and independent.
The police,
them know
them work for the pub, everybody. The people.
Exactly.
Yes, I
You never know that.
Just like the integrity commission.
The simple matter is, the simple matter is this: Jamaican public, the public of Jamaica is just lawless. No respect for the police. That is one of the biggest problems. Whenever police are customer, all sort of people are coming on and talk about Lego the man. If he was in a foreign country, if he was in a foreign country, they would never behave like that. Because they couldn't do it.
Why do hold on?
Go to order, disrespectful.
Come on. No, you made a point, and I am going to ask a question because I had the floor before you interject. But we're having a dialogue,
but
right?
Talk. Other people want to talk too.
No, me not stopping from talk. He said
just
public. You see, I am just here pointing out the biasness. You know, we have to be concise. We cannot be conventionally concise. So when you broad brush the public and say the public come out and the police, you believe it's a no reasonable merit? We cannot broad brush the police force to say the police is doing what we know the police is doing. But you can broad brush the general public to say Jamaicans are like that. Come on, we cannot reason like that, Virgin.
So you don't realize saying when a police go in a one area, sometimes harass me. It's just because they know who them have to deal with. Some of the people
Question.
Let me talk with the man where
the question.
I think the public
can't just with.
Beg you a minute. Beg you 1 minute, please. I'm not beg 1 minute.
The man
Who police?
The man
Who turned police?
The man said the general public don't respect the police, and he should not get away with a statement like that. And we should not move on until he retract that or he rephrase that.
The police. Listen to me. You ever hear police talk to the general public? You ever hear some of the police them talk? You ever hear some of the police them all tell people from Plainview, everyone me shot in a head? When a police officer is making let me finish. When a police officer can stand up, and not all officers, let me just say this. You have very good officers who bring them training out there. But when you have the ruthless one who will stand up and look by and say, boy, me bust a shot in the head or lick in the head with sitting. What kind of police that they are dealing with? You tell me.
A police was going to tell a man.
Did I pay my tax? Hold on.
A police was going to tell a man. The man
let me finish. Ma'am,
arrest the police, arrest the
Listen up.
Look here.
Listen. If I suck your mother. He did not kill you. He did not threaten you. Did you have the right to tell him?
Hey, Sister Bev, let me tell you something. Hold on a second, my brother. Hold on 1 second. Hold on a second.
Hold on, Jamaican. Them are Jamaican.
Hold on a second. Hold on a second.
If you have a license, if you have a license,
it's not right.
Hold on 1 second. Let me tell you something.
Are you telling him so you shoot him? You lose your license gun.
What?
Okay. If you have a license gun and a man said to you, go suck out your mama, and you pull that gun upon him, you're losing that gun.
Of course you're supposed to lose it. You're supposed to lose it. But if you is a police officer, when you is a police officer, and you just say, police say, I go shot you and ray. The police, and what Sister David say, the police don't just say that willingly. There must be some cause. There must be some reason for him to say.
Those are why you train. That's why they train you. That's why they give you stress tests. That's why they train you to keep
listen to me. Hold on, man. You just
You cannot justify them something there.
When the police come for you, right? when the police come for you, whether you're guilty or not, you're supposed to respect the police. You're supposed to go with him freely. You're supposed to comply, and then you complain.
Yes, you're supposed to comply,
You're not
but you
supposed
have
to
a
hold
right.
your fight.
You
You're
have
not
a
supposed to hold
right
your
to
fight with
ask
the
the police officer
Milo,
what
listen
is
to
the
You're not supposed
charge.
to hold your fight with the
What do
police.
you
You're
charge for?
order.
And you can ask this there.
A police
If
stop
a police driver by you, I say
Milo,
come in the
Milo.
car. Hold on. If a
Milo.
police driver by you, I say come in the car. You're supposed to get for what reason?
Yes.
You're entitled to
And you're supposed to go in the car, and you're supposed to go in there.
No, you mad? Man can't ever go in a car, go in a car. So for what? Where are you going to car for?
When you go in the car, that's a lawful order.
Correct,
A lawful order in people. You're
Virgin,
supposed
correct,
to
that man.
comply.
Yeah, man.
Hold on. Hello. Let me tell you something.
Milo.
Hold on, them anti-bet. Let me tell you something. You see, if a police don't have a case for you, and a police put in a radar can without a reason, it's called kidnapping. You hear that?
No. When put in a kicker without kidnap. Who
Me
is a kidnap?
if you're not done, you can't, I just walk down the road, so, and a police are going to stop him vehicle and tell you, go in a car, come in a car. And you don't,
police is not fool, police is not an idiot.
Listen, brother, listen
You
before
think
you
police
talk.
are fool?
Listen, because you just talk. Listen. Because the law, that's the law. It must give you a reasonable reason why he's apprehending you.
Suspect. You can't tell her anything.
Suspecting something is not a crime. Suspecting something is not a crime. It have to give you a reasonable, articulate reason why he's placed in under arrest. A police is supposed to move you from that street and let him arrest you. Right? The police is supposed to just pull up on you and tell you, go in it and you're going in it. You idiot?
I may ask you one question. Most of do you them train police now? Where them come from? Uptown or the garrison? Or the garrison with them turn police, you know? Or you them live in a garrison, turn police, you know? So what you think happen? The same thing with the bad man and patrol the road, the police and patrol, you know, because them have the laugh about them. Them have the gun for about them now. So them have all right to do what they want to do. When if he was a bad man, they do the same thing, but they want to do it in a police uniform. And that all police body not come, police deal with me good, question my thing and go on, but sometimes some of them behave away. One time, back him go.
Are you saying all police come from gangs?
The same.
Are you saying all police is from Harrison?
Listen what I'm saying to you. Listen what I'm saying to you. Well, another system I can make a point, please. I was listening so long. Just give me 2 minutes. I get the full answer on what I'm saying to you. Majority of the youth them come from the garrison. So the same thinking that the youth them have in the garrison as an individual citizen, they will have the same thinking as a policeman. I want to know them say, listen, I'm not talk.
I wonder if you have facts to back up that. You have evidence to back up that.
Please listen.
I
finish talk now. When you them turn police, listen. When you them turn police now, them say them are God. I'm done talk. Them say them are God. Can them have to go in for back
Too
them.
many people talking at the same time. Mute your mic, easy done.
Yeah, listen, man. Say now. Them say them have to go in for back them. All right, a policeman stop me now. In my vehicle, right? I must stop. Normal camera, the man back him gun. I say, why you back your gun on me? Boy, I'm not trust that even mother, I'm trust you. Sometimes I say, why you can't see that? Look how much, look how much big man in the police vehicle with it. You see that if you trust your mother, and you have the other vehicle, them say, you not trust your man who work with it then. See, someone said to him, and I'm for a police one, look for him. I say, no, you have to trust people. They can't see not trust your man. The traffic stop you make, don't back your gun for me. Come and stop, me not ride around. But stop. Then him look and think, when I say, when I say to him right now and put him squad him and look on him, him they want to go through my paper, them not them for go on. Can I say me right? But I'm tell you something now. You have policeman stop again people and say, him a God today. Nobody can do what he want, look, him a God. And I say to him, you have good police.
Me a woman.
No, don't put yourself in that.
Because me drive a good car.
Hello, listen now.
Them a go stop my car.
Listen,
and
baby.
Say, ask him a drive in the car.
Listen, man.
Listen what me I say now. Police
look when you have the floor.
I say I've been gone and I peep in my car and I peep so and I peep so. I'm just like this. Well, look when you have the floor. Officer, what is the problem? What is it? And all the man do, I said, why not glass? Why wind it down? Wind it right down. And him look, I said, look, you're not quite intimidated with your gun here.
All right, well, I know. Stick up in here. If it's a man, listen. You have to understand something.
He said the man do job and blah, blah, blah. What me I go do?
Miss, listen up. Listen up. Do all that. You can't imagine what I'm do to a man. A man. Let me tell you, you're a woman. When you do to a man, you do to a woman.
Morning, comrades. I'd love to slip in a point. Morning. I just want to say that we have good cops and bad cops, right?
Yeah,
we have cops that understand the law and know how to administer it. We have cops that know that you must have be on some reasonable, suspicious situation to stop you. We have it's a known fact that we have criminals in the police force. There are several cases on the books that are unresolved. We have a case that nobody has been talking about that has happened. I believe it was last year, where the two cops that raped the woman and used her ABM card to take money from her account. Those cases have been swept under the table. We have policemen shooting pregnant women and getting away in years gone by. There's so many things that has happened. So when a policeman stop you, as somebody alluded to, and say you must listen and go in on them vehicle if they arrest you or whatever, they must have a reason. And I think it is reasonable for a citizen to not want to go into a police vehicle unless there's a reason that he can say, you know what, I broke the law and I have to pay it by going down the station and whatever I need to do to book you. But to just get up and going because a policeman say you must go in a vehicle, you might be going to your detriment.
Perfect. Hey, 1 minute. Let me just piggyback on what the Virgin said. There was 2 police officers on Boulevard who kidnapped a brother because they were in a car stealing ring. And the boy, them never bring the right procedure. And money come give them. And them carry them out on airport road and kill the 2 boy them. You know how them get caught? Somebody saw them, right? You know how them get caught? Is somebody saw when they were taking away the 2 man them. And they are sentenced. Did you hear the government come out and apologize to the family? No. I can name them so much. Some of them run off America when them hear them get charged. When
that is so true.
When you look on the warrant, you know how much police have warrant who are in America because them seeing a soup say, yo, the case don't look good. Them are charge you. Run off before them take your passport. And them return back.
So therefore we can agree. Can we agree that we are basically a police state and the civilian leadership is not doing anything about it?
I agree with you. 100%.
That the police is getting away with abuse of the citizens?
100%.
I agree. We have good cops, we have bad cops, and the bad ones are out there doing stuff in car racketing rings, in raping, all different type of things, extortion, and the civilian leadership is not doing anything about it.
That's not true.
I know a girl. Hold on. I know a girl who quit the police.
My friend, that is not true.
Hold on. 1 minute. I know a girl who quit the police force, and she was a sergeant. I'm not call her name. You know why she quit? Turning in her ID, everything. She saw something wrong with 4 police officers doing something to somebody, and she said no, and she write them up. And she get a wicked backlash, I get threatened and all kind of things. She quit the police force. You know where you deal with Jamaica police force, it's split down in 10 pieces. 10 pieces. Part-time run as a mob. Part-time run as a mob, a hitman squad, and the other rest run for ride ticket.
Byron Dean's case is a perfect example.
Thank you.
You don't want no other case to determine that we're living in a police state and that the blatant things that is so obvious that a case can try so many roadblocks to the case. It is obvious. Come on, man. Not try to go around that.
I disagree with that.
Cite 5 cases that police commit a crime against a citizen and they have been convicted.
Oh my goodness.
Cite 5 cases.
I can't name it. Numerous cases the police have been convicted. No, numerous of
Them
cases.
Them end up getting back on appeal and end up come back get millions.
Thank you very much.
That is not
Thank you very much.
But it's not. How many of you have ever served in the police force?
I have a lot of family in the police force, sir.
Well, I serve, and I've seen a lot of that.
Well, if you have served, sir, you're the typical officer that supports the wrongdoing. Because you're going to tell me, say, that, the government is doing something about it. No, but it's clearly, sir. You're going to the government is doing something about it. You can't cite me 5 cases.
I'm not
citing any case.
A lot of policemen, police officers who have done wrong, and as a result, they have lost their job.
Some of them have even gone to prison.
Some of them have even gone to prison.
That losing a job fit the punishment for a crime?
Hold on,
That's all I see.
It all depends on the crime. It all depends on the crime.
When it's not losing their job, them get transferred to somewhere.
It all depends on the nature of the crime, my friend.
Hold on, answer my question because
hold on. Ask you a question. You never have to tell us you was a police or ex-police, you know. Because you ever tell people about when police pull up on you and tell you if you go in a car, right? We know say you're corrupt.
all right. So the question me want to ask them, because you say yourself now, JC, when the government can come out in and say they want almost $1 billion in a budget and they want the outer transport. What you feel the police are going and do?
Which government said that?
This government.
Which government said that?
This present government. Me remember?
When they said that?
What is known fact? You don't need specifics on that.
When they said that? Which minister said
I'm
that?
the wholeness government.
To use
Tell me which minister said that. Tell me which minister said that. Tell me which government minister said that.
Cosmo, look up here.
It is projected. Hold on. We have to look at it because it's in the public domain. It is projected that the government said they want $1 billion.
You're domain that
no,
my
brother.
friend.
No. It is part of the budget of Fiverr Williams.
All of you, most of you just speculate and just speculate and assume.
No,
that's all you
don't say you don't read. You don't say you don't read, and you just prove say you don't read. Because something that was in public domain for the past 2 weeks, and you don't know that.
Something in the public domain is not necessarily facts.
So, brother, you see that's the reason why the police force is in the state that it is, because people like you.
Corrupt cop.
Something in the public domain, my friend, is not necessarily fact.
Virgin,
it's not factual.
May I say to you, say the government then talk how much money they want.
I may ask you, who said that? Which government minister said that?
The transport minister. Office come out.
You lie, man. Gerald Vaz, you lie. Don't tell lie on the man. My man sue you.
He's not telling any lie, and I don't think you need to be specific. You said numerous cases and expected people to believe.
I am going to take up this matter. I'm going to take this matter further.
I said call Darrell Vaz name, Me say come out of the transport minister office. I never called Darrell Vaz name.
You call the man. You indirectly call the man.
You know, sir. Better come off of the live and go on about your business, because we are here to discuss issues, agree and disagree on things. We're not here to create no unnecessary lawsuit for something that don't make sense.
You must stop it. You must say
when you can't, what I find with you green people, when you can't argue a point,
hold on. So hold on.
When you can't argue a point, you go low.
Hold on, the dean. Your company try to intimidate people. Your company program try to intimidate people. Yes, it was a part of the. It's in the public domain. The Minister of Finance said. Your Minister of Finance said.
You must stop it. You
brother, go read. Go and read. That's why I'm so dunce in the police force. Go read.
I listen.
Go read.
I listen. I listened the other day. I listened to the Minister of
that they're going to make. Estimate they want $1 billion off traffic.
I listened to the Minister of Finance.
$1 billion of traffic violation. $1 billion of traffic violation to support budget.
So who write ticket? And a police write ticket.
Boss, a lot of you down there too unruly and disrespectful. That's what happened to us.
I'll do. Listen me now. You do your crime. Are you running and I do your time? You better stay by your
Hold on. Why you don't have the same sentiment to the politician where thief, blood thief, poor people money? Why you don't have the same sentiment with politicians?
My friend, I'm not going to
sentiment with politician where thief money.
Me don't know a lot about say Andrew is thief, you can't bullet.
We say why you don't have the same sentiment there when people. Why you don't come out and
Yes, so Cosmo, you saw gone low again. When they can't win an argument, they come up with other things.
Come on, man.
We're not talking about
we are talking about the money we're missing. We are talking about the money we're missing in Jamaica. Only to come out and attack and say that wrongly the politician forgot prison for taxpayer dollar. No,
the money are missing in a government from the beginning of
man.
And you go
administration.
You want to continue?
Crime go on the road from the beginning of time. Crime go on the road. Yes, you have that argument. Shut him out and ask my not too corrupt. And the corruptiveness are shown in our right?
Cosmo, I really honestly believe that 3 months or 6 months at a training center cannot teach them about the Constitution, cannot teach them about the law and how to administer the law.
And they are corrupt. Their mentality is corrupt.
Exactly.
Yes, I agree with that. Yeah, it could be longer.
It is not enough because guess what happened? And then again, as I say, the quality. I don't think them selecting the right quality officers, and there are many good people out there who could be in the police force, but I don't think it's just that.
You know, let me ask a question. Maybe you can answer me. You remember one time past dancing when one police graduate, him not just graduate today and get a gun today if you go out in the field. I say, so you used to go down.
Most of the time,
I know, yes.
White people, listen, most of the time, white people, hello, let me talk something. I have something to say. Most of the time, white people behave bad with the police officer. It's because of the economy and all things bad with people, because people cannot afford certain things. So when a man at the car and say, in car, there's something wrong with the vehicle or the road mash up in vehicle, and him a try and a hustle and a try to make, and a police have come bad him up and a arrest him, think you're harassing. Right? Because sometimes they say, oh, this is wrong and this is, you need to do this and give him a much in ticket. And by the time the man say all of that to make anybody get upset. Poor, when you're hungry or you're poor and you don't have it. It's hard when a man can ticket you. You understand? And a man can just, and a man try to reason with you. Sometimes it affects the police them. So they will retaliate back to the police. The police are behave one way with them. Right? Because the police have to stand up. Some police now give blind.
Right. It's true.
Give blind.
And sometimes a lot of people have traffic violation, another violation too, and police look at them and say,
sometimes they have a ticket before. So the police are to them and then and because they see all people are and then the police get irritable.
Exactly.
Take up the police.
All right.
That's what we see.
You see the strategy of the police when them stop you, all right. Police will stop it for one thing. But the first thing them try to do, is to say if them can come up with anything else to hold you, That's a strategy, going into trying to get the bribe.
When a police stop you, the police are scan your vehicle before they even stop you.
No, but what
exactly, babe.
Miss Ben. It's not what really happening. It's
job and say, yeah, man, the man have a ticket out.
Miss Bev, what the guy second, what really happening now? It's not like the police them see you bad drive, you know, or run a traffic light, you know, see, and stop you for issue that ticket, you know. They stop you for find a reason for issue your ticket, you know.
But they are trying to all out the feel like long time and then dig up that.
Exactly.
So some of the time, you know, me not say some of them need to learn to talk to people, you know, me not tell a line, but you have some of them when they stop you with respect. Yeah. They say, hello, ma'am, I am so and so super corporal, this, that. I am here doing this, that. I'm not gonna blame the whole of them, it's not all of them are the same.
Exactly.
I told me I tell you.
Cops, I have bad cops, Bev. But like you said, Bev. Bev, they don't get the training for what you just said. Bev, they don't get
over the weekend.
Bev, them not get the customer service training that them get.
Them not comply and then
them not comply with the training.
Them out there, them think them are police now, so them can, you know, some of them like that. But some of them,
they're a law unto themselves.
3 months cannot train police officers. And I know we can get trained in a 3 months and go out in a field go around.
And not only that, you know, not only that the 3 months can help them, you know. The selection process, what I believe and what I was told by high-ranking officials.
3 months then get? 3 months then go learn for?
3 to 6 months.
No police get training in 3 months.
It was 3 months first and then move it to 6 months.
3 to 6 months.
But Byron, based on what I was told at high-ranking levels, if they were to do the right thing in the selection process, they wouldn't have anybody in the police force because most of them don't meet the standard. Who them hire? Them hire mediocre people. Because them need the head.
A lot of people, enough man out there. They will see two young police come, and because they're young, and I told you, how them boy I want, how them I come. And before
disrespect them.
The approach for them give the police before the police reach them.
Exactly.
The police them have to be strong. And if they don't know what them do, them go arrest them. Them go try and it now go end up good. Right?
Sister Bell, if two young police come,
no love police come to we.
Exactly.
A problem.
If them see two young police come,
I want to know.
Sister Bell, if two young police walk up to a man who commit an offense in the public, first of all, them all look at the man and say, "Oh, them two little boy,
where them boy they go? They never need to go and go drink.
Exactly. Disrespect.
Them a boy. Disrespect. Say officer, them a say boy, where them boy go?
Exactly.
You don't know
and them a tell the police,
look at the man, bias over yourself. That's one thing with me. Sometimes I sit down and listen about that talk, you know. You know much time I on live and I say nothing. Me not say nothing.
Boy, me I tell you.
But when I get to my brain, because I go on.
Isabel,
we all agree.
Where are you in England?
But
Isabel, where are you in England?
Yes.
Listen,
hold on, my friend. I'm in Florida. You see, whenever the police pull you, nobody come near. If you're not involved, you cannot come near. You cannot keep walking. You cannot come near.
But look here now.
But Jamaica is different.
No, when we still trying to say to you,
alright, Leo, listen to this now. All the people them fool over here. So few police now walk with gun, you know. Only one they will work up at Westminster. Then I walk with gun. So here what they do now. If something happen down the road, I say no. The way the people them England people, well, I'm going with Jamaican come over here, come with the same Jamaican attitude, come pile up this thing. First time when something happened, over years, so when me just come to England, me live in England 20 years. And me I tell you say, when me just come to England and something happened up the road, and the police walk from house to house and ask questions, you want to see people, oh, would you like a cup of tea? Call in the police when you are there out and get a cup of tea.
But this Bev,
Everything they see them talk. Nobody at Jamaica cannot do that. They think they could stop a one Jamaican house and ask them that.
You're crazy. You're crazy. That is a hold on, Ben. Even though the police might see somebody out there and commit a misdemeanor, and go then and try to carry out them duty then, and the person start disrespect. That no give the police all the right here call police F-boy, civilian F-boy and tell him to more shoot him. It's like you're degrade the system.
Who disrespect? All right. You know the boy, the people them in England disrespectful too. You think some of the boy, the people them over here, they're nice. When police start them, they must say, "Don't fuck with me." Fuck you, and up in the police. All them do. The police then do. I try to maneuver them and put on the pad.
And stay calm, not true.
Down at the station, but over here, enough station locked down. I don't know. In a one area, you maybe have one police station and me. You're not lucky for two. Because they are closed, you know, most of the people then depend on the road. Right? And then when they are one place, or anytime they call them, they're always everywhere. So the police over here never have enough work to do more so. Because when I arrive one little footballer, if one football match go on and say 1 million police out, I keep guard just to make peace. When the football, if you lose, the team lose, it's sometimes because in our police, I just saw police work foreign, right?
But, Sister Bell.
No, but me not say they not harass people, and some of them take step up, some of them still have them look racist thing in them, and then we slam bang
right.
And go and do all sorts of things and fling in a jeep. Yeah, but you have your right. When you go to the station, you're entitled to call one lawyer and name something there, right? But Jamaica system is different. That you can't mix the foreign with Jamaican.
For real. Sister Bev,
right?
Sister Bev, when we live in Florida, you see, we have a little place. I know of a little place where a lot of Jamaican hang out. Like evening time, some of them come after work and them buy them like a weed and smoke and so forth. And one police officer drive up. One, not two, one. Everybody scatter. Everybody gone. You think that could have happened? Hold on. You think that could happen in Jamaica?
I mean, I listen, you see, in Jamaica, you're out here now.
You think that could happen? I look at it.
Hold on, brother. You say, hold on. Listen, you say you have one place in a Florida where you live in where you know about Jamaica, they go, see? And if one police drive up, see? Everybody run. You see, in Jamaica, if that happen, then you hear say, police go up and see and man fire shot and run and police return fire and man end up the hospital. Me tell you that you go in here. So they can't run.
Hold on.
Anyway, what you know, Miss Beth? Anyway.
From the state. Hold
No
on.
way you go ask me. You ask me why them run. Because they must smoke.
No. May I ask you a question? So you think they said that is a good thing that a police officer that is there to serve and to protect its citizens and citizens see police and a road? You think a good thing?
No, it's not a good thing because they were doing things that is not right. They must drink and smoke them weed. And we also you can't drink outside.
So hold on, is smoking weed illegal?
American laugh.
It's smoking. No,
you cannot drink outside, my friend.
Outside.
You cannot drink outside.
And the security say,
then catch you with one open container, you gonna drink.
So why?
So hold on.
Yeah, Cosmo.
That's why
Cosmo.
because them drink them beer, them drink them white
so
rum.
They can't drink. Whatever you're drinking must be enclosed. So you can
Right.
drink
So that's why them. So yes, Cosmo. Some people have to drink in a the paper bag. Yeah,
no,
right.
Hold on. But all of this is because if a man done work and him stop around hangout spot and him a drink one beer, I want to drink one.
Illegal, Cosmo.
Well, I know. But when I say when you go push it, that they say man I run and you talk like say it's something. So something. Is that really a crime? The end of them now out there harass somebody.
A crime.
Cosmo is
My friend, it's a crime. It's a crime whether you like it or not. It's a crime. You're doing something wrong. You're not supposed to drink in the public.
But
Where you live,
ladies,
Jamaica, I live, right? I'm not telling you this. Yeah, I'm not telling you this.
You don't know America run. Me go to a club one night.
Hold on,
Go to a club one night over America in New York. And me there at the club, and me act like a kind of full of people. And me I go to I go outside with me one little one secret to say, my girl, where you go? You can't go there. Me say why? Me say me not do nothing. What make me?
No, it's in America, in New York. I know in New York.
Mark me face him. You can't go here and I instop me. You see if me make one more step.
No, in New York, in New York. No,
because
in New York.
Because the police them line off out there, me never know say one rule, so you know to go.
No, but in New York, you can drink on the road, but it have to be enclosed. So if you're drinking a beer, it have to be in a bag. Right?
Well, you have to have brown paper about what me in a one club.
Right. Exactly, but I'm saying, right? But this is what I'm saying. It's just as enough time. Those things are minor something. Those things are minor something, you know. But
when you end up in jail for it.
Yes, but then I want to
misdemeanor, man. You're not going to jail for that. Misdemeanor. You're not misdemeanor. You're not going to no jail for that.
You can't tell me that or something what me say.
Brother, you're not going to no jail for that.
Your ticket. You're not getting a lock.
Right? You can go to the station and them right. You're not the misdemeanor, that brother.
Yeah, you're fine same time. Is that
only felony arrest? You go jail for brother.
Yeah, but they maybe don't want none problems, so they don't want to take the check, so they run. But if a Jamaica, then could run from police. So they will get. But
if you did, I make it something. I feel safer with Jamaican police, right, than American police. Anytime. I tell you.
You know what?
I feel safer dealing with Jamaican police than dealing with American police.
You know must be safer because they're not harassing like
Why? Because
yes.
The first thing with the American police, right, it depends on the type of stuff because most of American police are racist.
Yes.
Right? Most of American police, and once they do anything,
all over here to some of them.
Yeah, we don't know about England, but we know about America.
Some of them racist.
But once they do anything in America, they have a 90% chance of getting off a case.
Yeah, that's true.
In America, right?
Yeah.
In Jamaica, what you do, you have to know the police then. So if when a police stop you and a police are going to come with that attitude, you try dealing. You try just hand them your paper them. If they stop you and you're not talking with them, just hand them in paper them and something there, right? Because you have some police in Jamaica that them not need to depend on the road, right? Mr. Police stop me already, and police him have a shoulder pad, him have knee pad, he have elbow pad, him have a M16 crossing chest, him have a gun with a long clip on his waist, right? And they pull me over, helmet on, and tell me, I said, but hold on, come out of your car. I say, good evening. He might look for me. Right? I don't trust nobody no more. You stand up. I say, I'm not good man, brother. And I say, I want to taxi this. I say, but I say, he might tell me what, you never want no seatbelt. I said, no, man, I'm not even give my papers. Why you not give papers? I say, because you're a bad man police and you're not supposed to do that. So. And he might look for me like, what you say? I say, you're a bad man police. You can't be a traffic police dresser. I never say a traffic police dresser. Right? A road is supposed to look for gunman and murder. I'm not a gunman and murder, brother. Man, I look for me and the man just go on by your business. You have too much chat.
Yeah, but some of them are just like that. The police, no, them send them out there on the road.
Yeah, before you go to further. Yeah, you make Cosmo. You know the
today I want 50 traffic.
Yeah, you make you know the him can't buy constitution, you know.
Well, I know you are the soup send them out there, you know.
Yeah,
today I want 100 tickets. So go and make 100 tickets. So
can I say something? Because they come up for really that about the traffic ticket them.
Yeah.
I don't want a soul to tell me, say I lie, me I tell. And I am a motorist, right? And I drive every the day and I communicate with police officers. Listen to me. Yesterday, when they talk about the $1 billion thing, I can tell you that it's true. I remember
Catch me, all I know it's true.
a day. Me not leg after it, you know, Cosmo. One
Yeah, but
day, me I walk in one town, right? No, a lot of persons would have known me. So me talk to everybody, the taxi man, the street vendor, them, everything. But got KFC. And I came out of KFC, going back to my vehicle. But I see two police officers, and I remember that I had a traffic, I lost my driver's license, and the tax officer, I went to court with it, and I paid. I never remember about the due date. I got court, I pay for my thing. I got tax officer to get a replacement. Then send back so I can get it because I have a traffic ticket. So I say I pay for it. So I see two police officers close proximity to the KFC. I asked one of them, say, if I get my TRN, they can tell me if I have a ticket for my file same way? And say yes. So I did I talk to him and then I start walk with them because them I walk through the park. Listen to me, them police officer here, it was a mountain and them never get paid yet. I think I did last month, cause which mountain the police will never get paid part time. And last month, not this month, I think it's February month. The police never get, most of the civil servants didn't get paid on time. And I did it and them I walk. Them literally see the taxi man them park up doing nothing. And them I walk to the taxi man, them I pick on them. Then say, give me a license. You drive the car, give me the license. Them not see nothing wrong, you know. Them just a pick pan.
the regular the police, regular them there.
Secondly, them never get pay pan time. So me they a pick little argument, you know, pick little conversation with them. So me say when they get pay yet, can me get paid through government too. Me say I got paid from the 20. When I get paid yet, them say Thursday come, we gonna get paid. Thursday we gonna get paid. So I say, oh, no, just the right tickets. So one of them pinch me and say, listen to me. Them, they come like them are playing mind games for we can and say we need to get how much ticket because the government not the money for that's why we pay late. So them are playing mind games for the police, them are send them out.
Send them out to get a lot of tickets. But the next thing again, untouchable, look here. You see the system where them have a ticket people, they need to update the system because they will stop you and ticket. We did have one ticket last year where how me get that the ticket there, me change and bag because when they don't let me change every minute just it's gone. And I mean like how you see me as well, and also me see when you see me, you don't know me. When me change and bag every minute. So I left my driver's license in my next handbag. Me I drive now in a different bag. I remember not I go about my business. Then stop me. Where's the ticket? Where's the license? I have it before. I say, Ratchet, look how I take left that person there. And them and all the man do me see the man I go up on the system. So he say, are you this? He say yes. So me I said to myself. So them me tell him say, look here, officer, I can go for my license and come get it back, come show it. Or I can go for seafood or the other state and I'm going to show them it. He say, he man never answer me. The man just write the ticket and give me.
You know, have you all the information already?
Eh?
No, 24 hours up already. The government take, no, the government take 24 hours up there.
If you are driving without it, that way the Andrew trick people to give people get money.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
But my point is, if they put up on the system,
let me finish telling you because it might be important to you because you live out here. When me I say the ticket now, me get the ticket and me ask somebody to pay it for me. Me give them the money, and because they need busy, they remember not about the ticket. So when me go back the next time now, I'm gonna tell me say, "Well, I'm sitting out to me because this and that." One of my friends squeeze me and tell me. Anyway, we start it out. It paid and dealt with. You know, say, where do you go out there, I drive again, them go say, oh, and you have a ticket. You have a ticket, you know. When they stop me and give me $15,000 fine, say, 2 days ago, before that, they stop the run out, the tax, the road.
Fitness.
Yeah. Then say, a $15,000. Then just write ticket and give me see it.
It raised from $3,000 to $15,000.
That is wickedness. So I said to the man, say, then officer, you couldn't tell me, say, go and make me turn back and go do it because I like say, me I do it like that. You never really see it. And I just stood there. The man write it somewhere. All right. Then the man I go dig up, say, because me I talk to him now, a reason with him. The man I tell me, say, I have a ticket too from last year. You never have a ticket. So you might end up seize this. You say seize what?
Seize what?
I don't have a ticket, you know.
I
don't have a ticket. In like in a car, one truck,
can't seize the car. Can't seize the car.
Some say seize for what?
No, the only way they can seize the car, the only reason why the police can seize the car, if the registration is up. Right?
No, it only because the road something I mean see the ticket now, it must say. Like in a season, like in a
no man, they can't seize the car for fitness.
They can arrest me.
They can't seize the car for fitness.
Like no, he must tell me say he can't seize it. That's why I'm saying I'm gonna know.
No man, they can't seize the car for fitness. That's the reason why. Alright, let me tell you something. If your car don't have a registration on it, if your registration up on your car, they don't have a ticket fee. Right? Yeah.
Specifically remember.
Here what happened now. He must show me on the system say there was a ticket issue. That means to say the ticket start out, you know, and it don't come off our system, you know. So enough of people them are out there, they would all pay back the same ticket then when they
no man, I regular something that this left. I regular something that.
When they pay already because the system. Because off of the system can you pay. So then you upgrade the system and stop rob people.
All right. A lot of people never know. Hold on, let me explain to you how it works. A lot of people never know. When you get a ticket, right, and you go to the tax office and pay, you're supposed to go to the traffic headquarters with the receipt.
Right.
It for them to take it off.
Exactly.
But they did not tell people this.
Exactly.
So you have to go where you're town with it?
Yes, but they don't tell nobody.
This again I reach a town that me.
They don't tell nobody.
Supposed to have one in every parish.
They don't tell nobody that, right? So that's why a lot of people pay for ticket and the tickets end up resurface back on themselves.
Because sometimes, you know, the people then pay and gone and never put up their receipt, you know.
No, man,
once you pay, Sister Bev, once you pay, I think you're supposed to get a receipt.
Yes, you get a receipt, but you're supposed to take the receipt. You're supposed to take the receipt to Ellis.
Right now, we are near. Me no live out there, so when me I keep receipts. I
Yes,
don't pay it.
Yes, true. And what you can do, man, just take a picture. Just take a picture in your phone.
Well, cause much I've explained to you, say now. All right, you see when you pay the ticket, them system, you know, but you see, in order for you know to come out of the system, you will have to take a receipt and go out and a year duty for the phone. And them supposed to take you out there, find you pay the ticket. But if
you know, say sometimes, my brother, you know, say sometimes things take time, especially in a government system.
You know, say you have too much excuse for
if you
government
pay your
system.
ticket today, it now go reach.
You have too much
It now go
excuse for
reach ready to
government
go
system.
same time. Huh?
You have too much excuse for the government mishap, and you have no
I mean,
sympathy
if it
for
was a
people.
PNP in government, you would have been talking. Probably you would be talking something different.
You talk foolish. From morning they talk foolish.
Come on, you
From
must be a
morning they
better.
talk foolish. From morning they talk foolish. Right?
Baron, we're talking about the police force. We're not talking about any government. But
you know him and come attack.
We're talking about some policies because the government are the enablers of how.
So you're telling me, say you give me a ticket, right? And me go pay the ticket, and then me take a day off from my day, something.
My friend, I don't say that. I don't say that. That's why I tell her, I say, just take a picture on your phone.
Just take a picture on your phone, don't make that system. Whatever is on the system, is that the police
because
Cosmo,
because
no.
Hold on there, Milo. Mute, so just come on. Mute, guys. You know what me I say? When they give me the ticket for the license, them said to me, say, if me have it on my phone. So, if me did have it on my phone, I wouldn't get no ticket. Because I could have showed them.
Exactly.
Give you a ticket for which license? The driver's license?
Yes, 2,500 if you not drive, have it in your pocket when
No,
you
but
drive.
hold on. But they're asking you, hold on. They're asking you if you have the driver's license. It's a different something that. Because some people take the driver's license picture on them phone so that they can give it to them. Some people memorize them TRN number and give them and then run the TRN number. Right?
Yeah. No, but they never ask.
Hold on. We are talking about a receipt for a ticket. Right? So when the police stop you, just listen to me, Mr. Bev. It's okay. When the police stop you and the police system is showing you that there's a warrant out for you, right? Because of a ticket where you pay and the system don't take it off at something there, that police have to arrest you. Right? That police have to, so even if you
pay the ticket already and it's show up on the system, I read that about.
No, if it show up on the system, you know, listen to me now. Exactly. So you have to go pay them. Right? You have to go to court.
You have to to them and tell them say you pay it already.
You have to Miss Bev.
Show the receipt, send the pay. Whether I pay the tax officer and pay.
If you don't have the receipt for sure, because when they lock you and then carry go a traffic court, right? You tell the judge, say, yeah, and I'm gonna get that ticket there, then pay a ticket, you know. She's gonna ask you have evidence that you pay for the ticket. Because them now gonna look through for them record for she said pay, you know. And you have to go prove yourself, so you have something there. That's the system that is in Jamaica.
System. If you have
right?
it
so if you have it for your phone, then you at the court, they will believe it. But you still are going to get arrested by the police because the police is going to arrest you for the warrant you have, not the ticket.